Welcome to Alter Vigo, and today we are making 3 easy vegan peanut butter based treats. We'll be making a peanut butter cookie pie, flapjacks, and these no bake energy balls. Let's get into it. First is our peanut butter cookie pie. Find a pie dish or circular pan and line it with greaseproof paper. Get yourself a mixing bowl and put in 2/3 of a cup peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of sea salt, 1.5 cups of plain white flour, a 1/4 cup of ground almonds, 2.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips. Mix this all together so that it's incorporated, and then add in a 1/2 cup of oat milk and mix. It's going to form a very thick dough. Take this and press it down into a pie dish. Use your fists, or if you like a flat palm, to make sure it's all even. Then put into a preheated oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once done, pull out and allow to cool for 10 minutes. Take it out of the pie dish and cut into slices. Sweet, chocolatey, a little salty kick, these turned out great. Our second recipe is an absolute classic. I like to eat these as they are, or crumble them up into a bowl to have as a breakfast cereal. That is, of course, flapjacks. These are super easy, all you need is a bowl and a baking dish. First, take your bowl and add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1/2 cup of maple syrup, a 1/4 cup of oat milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a 1/4 cup of peanut butter, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Grab a whisk and whisk it all together. Once you've done that, add 1.5 cups of oats and mix it all in with a wooden spoon. Press the mixture into a baking tray. Bake for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Once done, leave to cool and chop up into squares or crush it up and use it as a cereal. There's not much to be said about flapjacks really, they're a classic, and these are a great recipe for a quick, easy treat. Our third recipe are again super easy, really tasty, and for these ones you don't even have to bake them. These are our no-bake energy balls. In a food processor, add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of ground almonds, 2 tablespoons of warm water, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, and a tablespoon of cinnamon. Whiz this all up until it turns into a smooth ball. Once you've hit that consistency, add in 1 cup of oats and 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips. Blitz this a little until the oats and chocolate chips have broken up a bit, and then transfer into a bowl and knead the whole thing so everything is incorporated. Once that's done, take a plate and roll the mixture into small balls using your hands. You could eat them now and they taste absolutely great, but they hold together better cold. Chill in the fridge for 30 minutes and enjoy. That's everything from us at Alter Vigo. We hope you enjoyed these recipes and we hope you give them a try. We have loads more great food-based content planned, so please consider leaving us a like, a subscribe, and click the bell so you're notified when our new content arrives.